Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world. Goddamn cryptocurrency. That's right. So today we're talking about a trading competition on the Binance Smart Chain with KAVA token, where you, yes you, could win $500 by just simply trading KAVA on PancakeSwap, flipping assets back and forward, up to $2,000 of trading volume, and you'll be entered into a prize draw to win $500. This is an official video from KAVA. I do want to say that this is a sponsored video. I've been paid to talk about KAVA today. So what is it? Let's get into everything today doing with KAVA. So from August 7th till 31st, if you trade $2,000 plus worth of KAVA, you could win up to $500 of USDT value of KAVA token from a $50,000 prize pool. That means there's not just one lucky winner, there will be multiple lucky winners of this competition. It's a lucky draw, not a race. It will be real traders for real rewards. You can check my tweet for full details, which we're going to look into very soon. How to join, go to PancakeSwap. We all know PancakeSwap, right? PancakeSwap.finance, link in the description. Trade KAVA token on the Binance Smart Chain and cross $2,000 of trade volume before August 31st. So you have a whole month to do this. You could flip back and forward $20. You could do a quick trade of 2,000 just to raise the KAVA trade volume to enter into the competition. So let's get to my tweet and let's find out more about what's been going on there. So my tweet is here. Come and watch it. Come like the tweet, retweet the tweet, share it with your friends, your grandma, your dog. Everyone in the know with crypto should be reading the Crypto Mischief tweets. If you're not subscribed to my X account, then please do. I also go live on X as well. If you know, you know. Been watching KAVA lately? To be honest, I haven't been watching KAVA lately. I have been watching SuiChain. But this is a very great idea for raising awareness of KAVA, right? All it needs is more trading volume and more eyes on it, and it could take off. It does have some great technology. I was researching it, and they do have a very interesting AI model, which is, in my opinion, the strongest runner for a crypto run AI project. Here's a rare chance, or blockchain essentially, right? Here's a rare chance to win USDT rewards simply for swapping it. No staking, no farming, no lockups. From August 7th to 31st, $50,000 of USDT is up for grabs on PancakeSwap with KAVA chain, right? How it works, you trade $2,000 worth of KAVA token with PancakeSwap's Web UI on the Binance Smart Chain. You'll be entered into a lucky draw for USDT rewards. The more you trade, the higher your reward tier. Full campaign details below. You can find that right here by clicking on this link. We'll come over to that link and have a look at what's saying. So to be very, very clear about this, you have to be aware that it is USDT value, but you're being paid in KAVA, right? That's a key part of this as well. Trade KAVA, there are other tokens, Peak, VRA, BGSC, YALA, and AIN on PancakeSwap for a chance to win a share of $300,000 in rewards total. The total is all of these coins combined, but KAVA is taking up a 50,000% part of this, right? Very simple. Campaign period and rewards, we know how that's working. The total rewards, KAVA, $50,000 in USDT, value of KAVA token. Just to put that out there once again. So the official contract addresses are here. So here we have KAVA here, BEP20 contract address. So all you'd have to do is come over to PancakeSwap. We all know PancakeSwap, right? I just put the contract address in there, or you can just type KAVA. And then all you need to do is flip $2,000 of volume back and forth. So for example, we take one BNB, swap into KAVA. That would be $787 worth of trading volume. Swap it back, swap it again, swap it back. That's $2,000. You're in the winning or in the chance to win already with this competition. So very simple trading competition. You can get higher rewards or higher chance of rewards if you do trade higher volume though, which is to be understood and explained in this video too. So I just explained there, you just trade back and forth with your assets or buy it and hodl if you are bullish on KAVA. Number two, your cumulative trading volume is the sum of all your buy and sell trades for the specific campaign during the campaign period. This can be completed in one or more multiple transactions. For example, you buy $2,000 worth of KAVA using USDC, then you sell $500 worth of KAVA using USDC. Your trading volume for that would be $2,500. That's an example of it. Trades must be executed directly through PancakeSwap's web interface. Trades made through PancakeSwap's Telegram swap box or external aggregators like 1inch, Binance Wallets, built-in swap, etc. do not qualify. However, trades made through the dApp section of the wallet, such as Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet, do qualify, as they are considered part of PancakeSwap's web interface. Of note, this is very important if you are going to go for this, right? Here we have the options for how we trade on PancakeSwap. What you want to do is you want to come into, where is it? I lost it again. Routing. It's very important. I lost it. Damn. I had it all and I lost it. We had it all and we lost it. Slippage is fine. Export mode, customize routing. There it is. Come to customize routing. Click on this. What you want to do is you want to turn off PancakeSwap Infinity for your trade. Very important. If you turn on PancakeSwap Infinity, they might not be able to catch your trades. So that's a little bit of advice for, you know, getting an edge on people who might not be doing that. Then you'll have a better chance of winning. Thank you, Richie. That's okay. You're welcome. Okay, to enter the lucky draw for a specific token's reward pool, you must trade at least the minimum amount of that token as listed. Each token has its own separate draw. We're paying attention to KAVA today, so we'll have a look at this, right? So tier 1, if you trade $2,000 worth or more of KAVA, then you could win 75 USDT value of KAVA token. There are going to be 200 winners of that. And the total rewards per eligible token is KAVA of $15,000 worth being given there. If you trade $5,000 worth or more of KAVA token, there's going to be $150 of KAVA token going to 100 people, which would be $15,000 of prize pool. And then we have tier 3. If you trade $10,000 more volume, you could win $500 in KAVA, and that would go to 40 people, which would be another $20,000 of KAVA token being given to people. So that's how we break it all down. The more you trade, the more trade volume you have, then the higher chance you have of winning higher amounts. You could have multiple wallets doing different trades to try and win all pools if you wanted to. The winners, how are they chosen? Winners are selected randomly within each tier. If you qualify for a higher tier but are not chosen, you'll be entered into the next lower tier draw. Tier 3 qualified wallets will be considered first for tier 3, then tier 2, then tier 1. Tier 2 qualified wallets will be considered for tier 2, then tier 1. Tier 1 qualified wallets enter only the tier 1 draw. So that's what I mean about splitting up your wallet, so you don't just get into tier 1. You can also be qualified for tier 2 and tier 3 by using 3 different wallets. Each wallet can only win 1 reward pool per token. Exactly right. The terms and conditions are in the article that's in my tweet, so you can get started now by just coming to PancakeSwap, like I showed you, and begin trading. Make sure to turn off that infinity. Turn it back on, though, if you want to continue your optimal trading on PancakeSwap, okay? You just take there, swap your BNB into KAVA, back and forth, raise your trading volume over the month, and get into the competition. Coming back to my tweet, which you, of course, should have already read and followed, liked, and subscribed to, right? The reward tiers, I break them down here. Important parts, only trades on PancakeSwap interface count. Use tokens like BNB, USDT, or Cake to trade for KAVA. Volume can be split across trades. Turn off Infinity Swap, and no aggregators, no bots, or infinity routing, right? That's very important. Why KAVA then? So KAVA, I didn't know this, but KAVA has a fixed supply of 1 billion tokens, which is their new zero inflation token model, which is a really smart idea for any blockchain token, definitely. It's chosen as Cosmos's native USDT gateway with 165 million plus of USDT issued to them. Binance supports KAVA EVM network, and it has native wrapped Bitcoin integration, which is very important for the whales. If you already trade, this is a no-brainer in my opinion. Worst case, you get normal KAVA trades, and KAVA could go up in price and you make more money, and then sell the KAVA and take the profit. Best case, you win up to 500 USDT of KAVA token for doing them. How to join? Go to pancakeswap.finance. Full details in the link in the description. It ends August 31st, so get trading. So I'll be tracking KAVA's price on this. I want to see how this works for boosting the trading volume and attracting more eyes, more traders to the project. So that's a great way for any blockchain to attract new users and any users, right? So that's also dope. Very cool. Wrong one there. Cool. So that is the video. Hope you enjoyed this quick little catch on what we could be doing.